Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you the new best way to get gold. First, you start up here, right? You get these 2 golds. These 2 right here. And then you go all the way over there, grab those. And then we go there, and then we go down there. And then there's going to be more golds down there. I'll show you. 1 second, I'm on my knowledge. Okay, we see this? We already got more gold from over there. You know the ice glitch over there? We already got more gold than over there. But the thing is, the ice glitch is better for AFK. Is better for AFK. Ice glitch is better for AFK farming, and then this one is just for active farming. Like you just want to play. Like you're not gonna go AFK. But this is a faster method. So it's better to be active and do this instead of doing the ice glitch. Ice glitch is still good. It can still make you tons of gold. But this way is a lot better. You can also mine these for EXP. Wait, is this hard already? Okay. You can also mine these for EXP. And then you can just go down. Fun fact, in my glitch video, I showed you guys if you press voodoo, you go super fast down, and also if you have God Rock, see normal speed, and then God Rock, super speed. The same effect happens with voodoo, and that's a fun fact. See, there's golds over here now, and then I can mine these, and then I should have tons of gold. Oh, the ants already took some. The normal amount is, like, how much did I get? The normal amount is 54, but these ants already took 1 node. There should be 3. Oh, actually, never mind. It's right here. The average amount here is about 54, if all of these are intact. Not much people know about this place, so. Well, they took already some gold. They already took some gold, so this is 52, but the average amount is 54, I think. It might be 54. And then you can also mine this, and I think it also gives a little gold too. Oh yeah, actually, this is how you get 54 gold. I forgot you have to mine this for 54 gold. It's because I think this also drops 2 gold, and this should make 54. And this is about that. And then you can do this every 2 minutes. So basically 100 gold in 4 minutes.